Hello, I'm Rory, and I wanted to tell you about my #1 recommendation for a cloth diaper to send with a babysitter. So I really like Velcro pocket diapers. Velcro is super easy, goes on just like a disposable, and I like the pocket diapers because it's just one flat surface. That's it. So one flat surface, just like a disposable, and it goes right on, just like a disposable. A little uneven, but you get the point. Okay. I especially like pocket diapers with double gussets because double gussets seem to just be easier to get the fit around the legs right. I don't know why that is. It should be about the same, but it isn't. These are way easier. A lot of people think all-in-ones are the easiest. I haven't really found that to be true. I know the Tot Spots all-in-one it does have a flap, but you stuff it in the pocket, and then it would have one flat surface, but the insert is sewn onto the diaper, so it is technically an all-in-one. But this is the Grovia all-in-one. This is not the Grovia 1. This is the Grovia all-in-one. They are different. The Grovia all-in-one is a side snapped cloth diaper. And so these would be the wings. So they go like this. You have to snap that. I don't like this at all. It's just a pain in the butt, especially if the kid's trying to leave. It's not fun. Most all-in-ones that I've seen have flaps. Let's get clear back here. Okay. So now if it's all together like that, it's just like that. So you'd put this one on, it'd be like that. You'd fold this up on baby. You'd bring these around, bring this up, and snap it. Okay? But if like the babysitter goes to get this and they drop it, well, and I know, what are those? For my smart bottoms, all-in-ones. This would actually be one great big long one, okay? And so for the smart bottoms, I have to fold this, like down like that and then up again. So I get a bunch of absorbency right here for my baby. That goes right there. Now, if that gets dropped, a babysitter's not gonna know what that is. Like, now it's just like this. They're not gonna know how to put that back together. Unless you told them or provided pictures. By the way, providing pictures or making a YouTube video, recommending a YouTube video, that's a really good idea. Especially if you're working with something that isn't a pocket diaper. And even if you are working with a pocket diaper like Alva Baby pocket diapers, they have a third snap. Okay, so this is an Alva Baby pocket diaper. This, this would be the leg snap. This, I think, would be the waist snap, and this is the hip snap. Okay, so you've got these 3 snaps. Very few babysitters are gonna know what to do with the 3 snaps. Now they are nice because they do what it is meant for, is to prevent wing droop. So what wing droop is, let's say this is snapped. Here's the leg, you bring up, and you get like that. Like the wing of the diaper is falling through. What is a nice one, this is another Thirsties pocket diaper, except this one is a snap version. And this one just has 2 vertical snaps. Those, you just, you got 2 snaps here, 2 snaps here. It's way easier to figure out. So, pocket diapers, 1 flat surface, preferably Velcro, makes everyone's life a ton easier. Thank you for watching. I do have an article on easiest cloth diapers for babysitters on my blog, clothdiapersunited.com. I will leave a link to the article in the description, and thanks for watching.